Hi and welcome back to another Power BI series video. In this video, I will show you how to create moving average series using Python and Power BI. You can select a single well, and of course you can make this work for multiple wells as well. You need to have Python visualization plus a slicer. So let's go ahead and start. Add a Python visualization and make sure to resize it. Once you do that, go ahead and add a Python slicer or Power BI slicer, and then just move the well names to that specific slicer. Now it's time to start writing the code. Click on the code area, just add your fields, which is time and gas volume, and make sure everything is not set to summarize. Start by defining the x-axis, the y-axis, and finally start doing the rolling average or moving average. So we'll be using a window of 30 and then start all together by creating the plot. So we'll create two plots, one for the historical data and one for moving average data. Once you do that, make sure that you show the plot. Give a second for the plot to refresh and make sure to move between the slicer to select each and every well that correspond to that specific moving average. Let's move a few settings from the previous plot, and there you go. Now you have your moving average plot ready to use. Thank you so much.